noise I hear in the kitchen? What's Daddy doing? It sounds like he's making fresh squeezed lemonade.
Can you put sugar in it, Dad?
Sure.
Moxie, do you like lemonade?
Daddy's gonna put sugar in the lemonade.
That sounds awesome. You ready to see some fireworks tonight? Me too. Does it sound okay?